So I get made fun of a little bit in the office for saying I've got good news and bad news for you. So feel free to have at it at me in the comments, but I've got good news and bad news for you. If you, like me, are still sad that the Galaxy Note 7 was just pulled out of your Android-loving hands, I've got good news and I got bad news for you. According to the Korean Economic Daily via our friends at Android Authority, the Note 7's kinda coming back, but only in emerging markets. They mentioned specifically Vietnam and India. So the story goes, there'll be refurbished units, not gonna start making brand new Note 7s, but they've got a ton of Note 7s laying around with a smaller battery, down from the 3500 that originally shipped with that had all those damn issues that you guys know about. Supposedly it'll be down to about 3000 and 3200. The phone should also be a little bit hard to find. They're claiming they're going to be doing in kind of a limited run. So a bit of a sad mark there, but if you live in one of those countries or you're traveling to one of those markets, it should be available sometime in June. I still miss the Note 7. I love the Note 7, I love Samsung Pay on it, I love the screen, I love the S Pen, I love the IP68, I love the way my Glacier Blue looked, I love the camera, the retina scanning, I loved everything about the damn phone except for the fact that it smoked sometimes and occasionally caught on fire. But in all fairness, almost all phones have the potential to do that. The Note 7 was evidently just a little more prone than Samsung and other government agencies were comfortable with, so it looks like smaller battery, less problems. So it kind of brought me to the question, if Samsung did this on a mass market in the US or where you live, would you buy a refurbed Note 7? I'm pretty sure I would, but this close to the Galaxy S8 and the S8 Plus, or they decided to call a larger version, I don't know, maybe I'd probably just wait and just look at the Note 7 longingly, remember our good times. Like when you see like an ex-girlfriend post Facebook updates and you're just like, oh, I remember that time. That was fun. We had good times. And then you wish them well with the rest of their life and their new husband and kids. Was that too of like a, is that like too much of like an exact story for you? So Note 7 maybe coming back. Want to do a real quick TB news to share that story with you. And mostly ask, like, would you buy one? I think I would, especially if it came at the right price, maybe 250 to 300 bucks. I think it would be an absolute steal for the Galaxy Note 7. So our comment of the day comes from our last video. Will the S8 beat the iPhone 8? Comes from Brando, who is a Twitter handle of Brandon Russell, who works right there, but maybe this is a different Brando, who says, hell no, LMFAO, you should slap your own neck for even making a video like this. LOL. You've been waiting for that. So, comment of the day, my neck got slapped. I don't even know what that means, slap your own neck, but Ralph did it. So if you want to be featured in a comment of the day, just leave a comment, we'll feature one. If you want to check out Brando, we'll link to him down below so you get featured and people can subscribe to you. So step 1, get featured. Step 3, become millionaire. Thank you guys for watching another episode of TB News. I'm John Rettinger. See you guys next one.